Hello, everybody. Welcome to Weekend Watch Repair. This is Adam. This is going to be a real quick video today just to set the record straight on something that I did incorrectly on my Bullhead and my Pogue videos that I uploaded to YouTube. I installed the hammer springs incorrectly. Although they were functional, they were technically installed in the wrong orientation. And so I just wanted to take this opportunity to create a quick video to show you them corrected. So the red arrow represents where that hammer spring is currently mounted on the chronograph bridge mounting screw stud, and the green arrow is on the column wheel click spring pin. The green arrow is where it needed to be, and that's what I did incorrectly for whatever reason. I don't know why I did it that way, but I did. So I'm just doing a quick video here to show you. This is me removing that spring using a plastic hold down tool, just in case that spring wants to go flying, just to kind of keep it in place. Once I remove that first section of the screw or of the spring, I can then get underneath the spring here and just pop it off there, and then everything's kind of easy after that point. All the tension is basically gone. So here I'm resetting that spring on the column wheel click spring pin, and then I'll just go in and set that last section of the spring in place, as you see here on that reset pusher arm. But once that's done, I'll re-clean the parts that I need to re-clean, re-lubricate everything appropriately, and finish reinstallation of the watch. And this exact work was done on both the Pogue and the Bullhead watches. But I even went back, and I have a couple watches in my personal collection that have these same 6138 and 6139 movements, and I did all those correctly. But for whatever reason, on the two watches that I upload videos for that have these springs, I did them wrong. But thank you to the both of the people who commented and brought this to my attention. I really do appreciate it. And those watches have since been corrected. Dennis, if you're watching, this is your bullhead. I just wanted you to see you could. This is a real good photo of. You can see the hammer spring in the top left corner, and you can see that yours is set in the correct manner. But again, thank you, everyone. I really do appreciate the comments. I've really enjoyed replying back with you and seeing your thoughts on the videos. I know my channel is really new, and mistakes like this are prone. I am a hobbyist after all, but thank you again to everybody. I really appreciate it so much, and I'm going to get started on the next video here soon. So thanks again, and I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their weekend. Have a good one.